Welcome to the Eurocopter 225 Safety Brief. Carry-on baggage, newspapers, and like items are not permitted in the cabin. When you arrive at the helicopter, please surrender your small bags to the baggage handlers and receive your Shark Air Pocket life jacket, which must be worn throughout the flight. To don the life jacket, insert your left arm between the bag straps and the life jacket body. Pull the life jacket head opening apart slightly and place it over your head. The waist strap is fastened on the right side using the metal clip. Tighten and secure the strap. Fasten and tighten the crotch strap. Roll up the loose strap and secure with the Velcro. Ground staff would be happy to help you to don your life jacket. Cell phones and personal electronics must be turned off for the duration of the flight. Smoking is not permitted. Do not approach the helicopter when the rotating beacons are flashing. Remain clear of the rotor arc to the front of the helicopter and the tail rotor to the rear. Follow the HLO's directions and approach the helicopter from the side. The EC225 uses a 4-point seatbelt system which must be worn throughout the flight and whenever the seatbelt light is illuminated. Insert the steel tab of the lap belt into the side of the buckle. Insert the tabs on the shoulder harness into the top of the buckle. Tuck the shoulder straps behind the life jacket and tighten the waist straps. To release the seatbelt, rotate the face of the buckle fully in either direction. Safety briefing cards are located throughout the helicopter. Please read them to familiarize yourself with the safety features. Each of the windows can be used as an emergency exit. To jettison a window, pull the red tab to remove the rubber band and push out the window. The sliding entry doors on either side can be jettisoned and used as an emergency exit. To jettison the door, pull the emergency jettison handle and push the door outward. You can open the door by pushing the handle in, turning the handle downward, and sliding the door forward. All exits will be framed by a light if evacuation is necessary. Never try to open an emergency exit in the air. Obey the seatbelt lights. Fire extinguishers are located near the rear door and at the forward end of the cabin, as is the first aid kit. Should you experience or notice a problem during the flight, alert the flight crew by cautiously approaching the cockpit. Always obey the pilot's directions. After arriving at your destination, keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt lights go out. Do not disembark until signaled to do so by the pilot or HLO. Loosen the lap belt and rotate the buckle face to release the straps. Keep your life jacket and headset on. Follow the HLO's directions and retrieve your luggage. In the event that the helicopter commander announces, "Prepare for ditching," remain calm. Remember your Hewitt training. Remove eyeglasses, false teeth, and sharp items from your person. Ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Locate your nearest exit and assume the brace position. After the helicopter lands, jettison your window, pulling the red tab fully free and pushing out the window. Locate your seatbelt buckle and keep your hand on your exit. You should now deploy your air pocket rebreather. Keep your one hand on your exit and open the flap by pulling hard on the tab. Make sure the valve is pressed in. Put the mouthpiece in your mouth and place the nose clip on. Breathe normally. If the helicopter fails to remain upright or is taking on water, you should activate your air pocket. When the water reaches your chest, take a deep breath and squeeze the red valve knob between your thumb and forefinger and breathe out into the air pocket. Breathe normally. When the helicopter stops rolling or the cabin is full of water, release your seatbelt buckle and escape from the helicopter. You may have to use the seats as a ladder if the helicopter is on its side. Normally, the helicopter flotation bags will keep the helicopter upright and afloat, allowing an orderly evacuation. Keep your seatbelt fastened. Jettison your exits. Deploy your air pocket rebreather. Follow the commander's directions. Keep your air pocket in your mouth until ready to abandon the helicopter. The life rafts are located on the forward edge of the sponsons near the emergency exits. They are normally deployed by the pilot. However, they can be deployed by using the handle located on each side of the helicopter or manually opening the covers on the forward part of the sponsons. Remember, do not inflate your life jacket until after you have exited the helicopter. The inflation toggle is located halfway down the left-hand side. To inflate, pull firmly downwards. The life jacket can be inflated manually by opening the Velcro covers on each side, removing the inflation cap and then blowing. The splash hood is located under the flap on the bottom left-hand side. Adjust the fit by pulling the strap. A strobe light is located on the left-hand side and the splash hood has a light on top. A whistle is provided to alert others. We trust you'll have a pleasant flight.